Init na init. Is it your first time in Bali?
Yeah. Ano to internship? Sumagot.
What can you say about your vision group? Who's your most hated member?
Hello.
Hindi.
Hated talaga.
AC Camp, Ashton. We're at Sunday's Beach Club.
Okay. We're gonna... I think it's this way, right? Sobrang ganda here, guys. I've been to Bali, but I've never been to this part of the island. It's my first time here. Sobrang init, pero okay lang. Cool. It's so hot, but it's really beautiful here. It's really nice.
Ay, dapat social.
Ay, hindi. Dapat social. Dapat Bali to. Bali. So, ayun guys. Kanya-kanya kaming content dito. Picture dito, picture doon. Sige, kaya mo yan, Enzo. Guys, we're at Uluwatu Temple in Bali.
And excited na siya makita yung
Monkeys. Pinuntahan ko na to actually last year, September. September, yeah. With BJ. Tapos, sobrang ina-attack kaya kami nung monkey.
Mabuhay.
This is what's name? What the meaning?
Mabuhay means alive. Alive.
Mabuhay.
Like, well,
What is
welcome.
Parang-
it's my amateur radio. Sometimes at the end is mabuhay. Like sign.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye! Terima kasih.
Tara.
Let's eat.
Hello, ang cute. Nalutulog siya.
Here at Kind Resto, and we're gonna eat breakfast, but technically it's not breakfast anymore kasi 12:30 na. Late kami lahat nagising. Ako pala pinaka-late. So late ako gumising.
Anong oras ka tulog?
12.
Oh my God.
Just juice. Ako ito lang, guys. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Zara, sa Beach Walk Shopping Center. And bumili lang si Enza ng clothes niya for tomorrow, I think. Ayan. Actually, I didn't know there was a mall here. Because the last time I've been to Bali, kala ko talagang island lang siya, like completely, just an island. And I'm shocked to find that there's malls, there's shopping here, everywhere. Ayaw bumili sa labas. Ayaw bumili sa labas. Yeah, we can.
Tayo lahat ng gusto natin.
Guys, stream
Stream 2020.
SSP, Bali.
Album namin yun.
At yun yung album yun, name?
Oh, isa pa.
Okay, take two.
Hey guys. Stream
SSP.
2020.
20... NSSP.
Yes.
Our favorite chat. So, how much did you buy?
2 million.
2 million IDR. So that's about 7,000. For 3 items sa skincare. Nabudol.
Nag-insufficient funds na ako.
Ay nako, AC, marami kang pera. Hindi ka kasali dito. Tapos na namin mag-surf. It was so much fun. I didn't get to vlog kasi baka mabasa yung camera and it's not waterproof. But we're here at Kuta Beach and it's my first time surfing. Ayan, nagpo-picture sila.
Say bye to vlog.
Say bye!
Hi. Yeah, look at that. Look.
Wow,
Okay.
flex! Yeah!
Oh! So I'm here right now in Ubud, Bali Forest. Monkey Forest, sorry. Anong feeling na makikita mo na yung family?
Ay, gaya-gaya talaga to.
Narinig din siya.
Diba?
Kaya... Boom. Ang maganda dito, you can do a lot of things, a lot of activities here in Bali. So, ako pagod na ako. Pero worth it naman to yan eh, for sure. Sana.
Worth it yan kasi magligo ka.
Actually, kasi yung init na eh.
Worth it yung pawis.
Kano daw?
25.
25,000. Dito ko lang na-experience na milyonaryo ako, tsaka bilyonaryo. Wow. And we're done swimming. Ayun, sobrang lamig ng tubig. Daming tao, daming pila. Hindi kami nakapag-picture dun sa waterfalls mismo. Pero it's okay. It's an experience. Now, this is an experience to go up. We just finished our spa treatment here. And I feel so refreshed. They even do a facial here. So we did a body scrub, a body massage, and a facial, mini facial. Look at that. Today we're gonna go snorkeling and island tour here in Bali. We're gonna go to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lim. I don't know how to pronounce the other one.
Ay, ito ang exciting.
Ano? Ano ba yan?
Nakagat ako.
Nang?
Hindi ko alam. Hinahanap ko ako sino kumagat sa akin. Ikakagaling ko pa balik.
Pwede.
Grabe, inyatingan niya yung starter pack namin tayo.
True. Kahit saan may payo. Siyempre, Pilipino.
Starter pack. Init, day. Mainit. Sunog ka talaga, day. Okay!
Okay, good guys, everyone. Enjoy trip today.
Okay!
Okay, good guys. I'm alive. The president of this month.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ay, best na Enzo yun.
Best na yun. Actually, yan yung pinakamalakas na boses.
Yes!
Wait lang. Blue water.
That's this. Big man talaga ito.
Wala na talaga.
It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Jangan dikit-dikit.
Okay, she's gonna feed the tiger. Ano?
Tagalogin mo.
Kuya, anong pupunta natin? Kuya, ano next?
Pag yan tumagot sa'yo.
Kuya, ano next? What's next?
For the next is kayo na?
Okay na.
One more. I say 1, 2, 3. Look at that together. Thank
Okay, picture again.
Hindi, wala kang god talaga. Enzo! Enzo naman! Okay, it's there.
Oh, okay.
Hi guys, so we're gonna have dinner today for free because of AC.
Yun yung pinang-pahay niya sa ano.
We're gonna have Japanese food today. It's called Tetsushin Japanese Restaurant. TETSU.
Dami.
Lumalungat.
Wow.